And just minutes ago, all restaurants and bars were ordered to close as part of the major safety restrictions on South Padre Island that went into effect just after those 2 cases were confirmed. Let's head straight to Local 23's Derek Garcia, who's on South Padre Island. He's been there since last Sunday when many weren't taking the concerns seriously. Derek, how are businesses taking the recommendations now?
Yeah, hey, Brenda. Businesses are taking it seriously here on South Padre Island, and I just wanted to show you how it is here on the bar strip. We got Laguna Bob's right behind me, and right over on this side is where normally it would be packed with spring breakers and winter Texans looking to get in their last drink, but last call was just called at 9:45. Now let's get to some of those ordinances that were signed earlier today and are now a Class C misdemeanor if anyone violates them. Restaurants and bars must close by 10 p.m. All dance floors and bars and restaurants are closed. Restaurants and bars will limit their seating by 50% of their current configuration with a maximum of 50 patrons per dining room. Gas stations must sanitize their self-service stations and have someone wiping them down at minimum of every hour and have sanitizers at each pump. And those are just a few of the punishable violations. We have the whole list available on our website, kbeo.com. And just before our newscast, I went out business to business and talking to customers who didn't get straws, couldn't get condiments, and tomorrow the breakfast buffets are banned as part of these emergency ordinances. And there's a photo outside of a Dairy Queen where they used wet floor signs to keep people from sitting at least 8 feet apart. Now I want to play an extended clip of South Padre Island's mayor who was going back and forth with legal advisors to get these restrictions ironed out. And you can hear the seriousness in his voice.
So I have a little statement to read. It's to our citizens, business owners, and visitors. The COVID-19 global pandemic is real. And we as a city must take all appropriate actions to prevent the spread of this virus. It is the responsibility of every American to aid in the prevention and the spread of this virus. In the end, it will be impossible to know if we overreacted or did too much, but it'll be quite apparent if we underreacted or did too little.
And Brenda, it's important to note that these restrictions are now enforced by peace officers. South Padre Island health inspectors, code enforcement, ordinance officers, and inspectors are now authorized to enforce these ordinances. And in fact, we've seen them driving up and down. We've seen law enforcement and police officers driving up and down, going to bars and making sure that everyone is out by 10 p.m. And tomorrow we will be in the courtroom to find out if anyone was fined with these Class C misdemeanors of violating these ordinances. But again, it's important to remember that the city was forced to take this action after Monday. That emergency declaration was signed, as a lot of the bars here did not take it seriously and stayed open. Now the city is fining people $500 for anyone who violates these ordinances. Reporting from South Padre, Derek Garcia, Local 23 News. Brenda, back to you.
Extra precautions that they're taking. All right, Derek, thank you. We'll take a closer look tomorrow to see if those new ordinances were followed.